Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new tees from Time Entry, they have a crew neckline, dolman sleeve with the little cuff. It's a relaxed fit, a little boxy through the front and the back. In the blue with the white kind of tie-dye ombre. They also have the green acid wash. There's a purple with beige, and then the black acid wash, and they're $9.99. New long shorts from Scoop. These are high rise. They have the side pocket relaxed through the leg with the pockets on the back. In the white, also comes in that light chambray, and they're going to be $22. New short denim dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thicker straps, the scoop neckline, full button, shorter length. You could see the seam detail through the front, and then the back, it kind of flows out just a little bit of an A-line, and they are going to be $32. Most requested, most asked about jeans, they brought them back. They're from Sophia, Vergara. They're high rise fitted, and then they have this super oversized bell flare at the bottom, the seam through the back. These are nice and thin, and they have them online in the light blue color, and they're $26. They also have them in the white. But these are so good. Do not wait. They do not restock them until next year. Also new belted jeans from Sophia Vergara. So these are high rise. They have the belt, pockets. It's a wide leg. This one is the straight super high rise wide leg. And they are going to be $26. Also new sweater tank from Scoop. So this has that higher neckline, this little rib detailing, also the rib trim. Really good length. And the green also comes in the black, and they are going to be $18. Also new little cardigans from Scoop. So these have this really pretty crochet trim. It's a pointel knit, fabric covered buttons, a pointel trim, also the wrist, and these are going to be $34. Also new barrel jeans from Jessica Simpson. So these are high rise. They have the slotted pocket, seam detail with the raw hem. They come in, and then the pockets on the back. Now in the white, I think we saw it in like a denim color in the last video, and they're going to be $30. I restocked my favorite tees from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline, fitted through the body. I've been wearing this navy one, washes really nicely. Also comes in black, gray, and the white, and those are only $8. New dress from Time and True. This one has the thicker strap, a little bit of a square neckline, the seam detail, dropped here. Oh, this is the crisscross back. We also saw this one in the black, and I also showed this one on a try-on haul, and they're $24.98. Also new puff sleeve top from Free Assembly. So this is a thicker kind of stretch material. It's really soft. It has that plunging V, the little shoulder detail with the ribbing, relaxed fit, ribbed bottom, seam kind of fit through the back, and they're $20. And it also comes in the navy. And then also new from Free Assembly is this boat neck top. So it has that boat neckline, the little cuff on the side, relaxed fit with the little slit, that same fit through the back, and they are going to be $12. And they also come in navy. New high neck tanks from Time and True. So that's their usual rib style tank with the scoop. Now they have this option with that high neckline, fitted through the body, the same nice longer length. In the gray, they have brown, navy, there's white. Those are all Scoop. I think that's it for in-store. Those are $4.98. Oh wait, on this side they have some. There's a pink, this brighter blue. They have lots of bottoms that match back to that. In the Scoop neck, they have navy, gray, brown, green, that blue, purple, and red. Those are also $4.98. New short from Lee. So this is called the Fresno. It's 6-inch inseam, has the side pocket, kind of flows out. It's a thinner, lightweight kind of like twill, and then pockets on the back, and these are $21.98. And then behind that is a new denim short from Lee. This is a 4-inch inseam, has the banded bottom, it's soft and thick, and then the seam fit through the back, and those are also $21.98. These brown shorts are a 5-inch inseam. So they have the button, belt loop, side pocket, this little cargo pocket, and they're $21.98. New dress from Scoop. So this one has the plunging V, this little bow detail, has the puff sleeve, flows out, in this pretty lavender. I'll have it linked. I did see these in a couple stores, so even though it looks like it's online only. New linen short from Sophia Vergara. So this one has a belt, has the high rise, this little paper bag trim with the side pocket, flowy through the front and the back. In the black, also comes in the white with the black. And the shorts are going to be $24. Also new pull-on wide pants from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, side pocket, linen material, nice and flowy through the front and the back. In the blue stripe, also comes in the gray, and they are going to be $30. To match back to the striped pants, they have the vest. So these have the thick strap, V neckline or squared neckline, the pearled buttons, 2 slotted faux pockets, the same fit through the back. They have it in both the blue and the gray. Those are $28. There's that gray color, and then how pretty is this pink? And then also new high neck vest from Scoop. So this is a denim material, has that higher neckline, sleeveless, the seam detail, and then the seam in the back, and they're $32. New color in the balloon sleeve top from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the Scoop neckline, so you can wear it on or off the shoulder, oversized puff sleeve. How pretty is the lace trim, and then the same fit through the back. So we saw it in that navy, now it's in the ivory, and they are going to be $24. New eyelet dress from Free Assembly. So this one has a little bit of a square neckline. It has the oversized puff sleeve, seam detail under the bust, flows out, and then the seam fit through the back. New dress from Time and True. This one has the plunging V, the little smocking on the shoulder, flutter sleeve, smock detail under the bust, nice and flowy. Seam fit through the back. I think this one is an online only color, but how pretty from Time and True. It's that t-shirt dress. I shared this one in a try on haul in the black. Has the crew neckline, the one little pocket, relaxed through the front and the back, and those are, I think they're $13. New eyelet dress from Time and True. So this one has the thicker strap, squared neckline, elastic under the bust, flows out with pockets, also ties in the back. New linen dress from Time and True. So this one has the thicker strap, squared neckline, relaxed fit, has this little pleated detailing at the bottom, and then it's squared in the back. It also has these adjustable button straps, but this would look so cute with the black blazer, and they're $19.98. New button down puff sleeve tee from Time and True. So this has a scoop neckline. It has these smaller little silver buttons, relaxed fit. It's a nice soft t-shirt material in the black, and they're $11.98. New little tank dress from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline. It's sleeveless, seam detail at the waist, flowy with the eyelet trim, that same fit through the back, and they're $28. New color in the little cardigans from No Boundaries. So these have the V neckline, the little tie detail, scallop trim, that same fit through the back. We saw it in the ivory. Now it's in the pink, and those are $12.98. Also new pointel floral tee from No Boundaries. So this has that crew neckline, short sleeve, more of a boxy fit. This is the large, that's the medium, and they are going to be $9.98. They have a new style of seamless tee. So this one has a crew neckline. It's a short sleeve, really nice length, in pink, white, teal, black. The black and white stripe with the little scoop, and these are only $5. New dress from Celebrity Pink. This one has a thin strap, this little tie, elastic through the waist, midi length with the tiers, in the white with the orange flowers, also in that green, and they're $24.50. Also new printed linen short from Time and True. This one has the button zip, pleated detail with the side pocket, longer length with elastic through the back, and they're $18.98. New No Boundaries boxy tee. So these have a crew neckline, relaxed sleeve, shorter through the front and the back. They have the cherry and the white, and then this little New York with city with the gray, and they are going to be $6.98. New tiered denim skirt from No Boundaries. So I was here the other day and I didn't get them, and they were fully stocked. Now they're almost completely gone. Button, zip, this little tier, pockets, same fit through the back. They don't have built-in shorts in the dark wash, also in that lighter wash, and those are only $11.98. Also have this style of new short. So this has the band gone pockets, button zip. They are very short, and then pockets on the back. $11.98 in this really light denim wash, also that mid-tone. And then some new colors in. These are my favorite rib tees. They were cotton. Yeah, 58% cotton, the rest is polyester. They have that crew neckline, nice and fitted. You could size down one. I got the small. I think I got gray last year. There's navy, black, and green. I picked up white this year. Also this pink. There's that tan. But these are really good. Oh, I got the light blue too. Also new little pull-on shorts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, nice and flowy. I know they have lots of different stripe options online. In store they only have the green. And these are $6.98. Also new mesh short from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, that mesh material, side pocket, flowy but short. And these are going to be $8.98. They have new sweat shorts that match back to the little sweat jackets that I've shared before. So these have an elastic waistband, the little slit, beach club. I know the jacket has a little blue hibiscus flower. It's a really cute set. And both pieces are pretty affordable. The shorts are $6.98. New Henley tanks from No Boundaries. This has the thin strap, scoop neckline, the 3 buttons, squirt in the back, in the stripe, also black, and the gray. And they are going to be $5.98. Also new squared seamless top from No Boundaries. So this has that cap sleeve fitted through the body. It is shorter. That same kind of fit through the back with the scoop. In the mint, there's also white. There's that purple, pink, and the black. And they are $7.98. New capris from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband, pull on the side pocket, straight through the leg, and then no pockets in the back. In the red and white gingham, also comes in the solid black, and they're $14.98. New dress from Sophia Vergara. So this one has the flutter sleeve, the V neckline, this little ruche detailing, crochet detail under the bust, and then also at the bottom tier. Same fit through the back with the smocking. Also has that little tie. And they are going to be at $26. New V-neck sweatshirts from No Boundaries. So these are a French terry. It has this plunging V drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Same kind of relaxed fit through the back in the beige. Also comes in navy and that really pretty turquoise. There's also shorts that match back. I'll show those next, and they're $14.98. Here are the shorts that match back. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, the same French terry with the raw hem. And they probably have all the colors online that match back to the V-neck sweatshirts. And these are $6.98. New color in this longer maxi length skirt from No Boundaries. So these fold over. They're super soft and stretchy. They had the solid options, and then I think also leopard, and they're $6.98. Also new lace trim tanks from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that square neckline, the little lace with the bow, seamless material, squirt in the back. Also has the built-in shelf bra in this light blue with the white. They have the Cajun shrimp red, ivory, and then gray with the white trim. And these are going to be $6.98. New color in the denim skirts from No Boundaries. So these have the button zip, the whiskering, raw hem at the bottom, pockets in the back, and they're $11.98. They also have this new 10-inch inseam denim short. These flew off the shelves. High rise, fading with the raw hem. I want to try these. I might get the smaller size because there's only 2. What's that one? 0. And these are $14.98, but these are the 2 washes. New denim from Scoop. So these are high rise. They have the whiskering, stretchy with the elastic through the back, whiskering with the flowy leg. It says oversized wide leg. And the mid-tone also comes in the white, and they're going to be $26. New denim romper from Celebrity Pink. So this has the plunging V, full button, elastic through the back. In the orange, also comes in the chambray, and they're $24.50. Eyelet dress from Free Assembly. They have that plunging V, puff sleeve, elastic in the waist with a little drawstring, drop tier, that same fit through the back, comes in red, also in the white eyelet. and they are going to be $34. New mesh active tanks from Athletic Works. These have that scoop neckline, relax fit, racer back in the black, blue, baby blue, pink. There's white, orange, and they're $5.98. Look like a pretty good match. These are high rise with the side pocket straight through the leg in the orange, black, gray, the lavender blue, fuchsia, purple. There's green, and those are $10.98. Also new contrast trim active dresses from Avia. These have the thick strap, the scoop neckline, built-in shelf bra, the little cutout, fit and flare with the bike shorts. Also has a little cut so you can pull it down without taking it all off, in the green and white, also the black and white, and they are going to be $21.98. New cargo pant from Avia. These have an elastic waistband, the toggle side pocket, cargo pockets, wide leg, and these are $19.98 in the green. It also comes in the black. New active dress from Reebok. This one has a thicker strap, scoop neckline, built-in shelf bra, fit and flare with the built-in shorts in the blue. Also comes in the black. There's the black. And they are $32. And then also new from Reebok, this one has that scoop neckline. So I think that, oh, this is the front with the logo in the black and white, and these are also $32. Also new active tops with the matching active skirt. So they have that scoop neckline, good length with the racer back. Also has the built-in shelf bra in the black, blue, there's green and white, and they're $20. And then to match they have the wrap style skirt, has the side pockets, seam fit through the back, in the blue, green, there's white and black, and they are $20. And then they also have this pleated style, the little pleats to windbreaker material. I'm just white and black in these two, and they are $22. Also new leopard in the Time and True footbed sandals. So these have the double buckle, the rubbered bottom with the beige suede. These are $19.98. They also have the cognac with the gold, black with the silver. I shared the purple with the silver also on sale. I think they're down to $11 online. They also have this new style of footbed sandal from Time and True. So this one has the wrap style with the smaller buckle. That's what the side looks like in the black, the cognac, and then the white with the silver, and those are $19.98. Also new thong style sandal from Time and True. So this has a footbed bottom, the one strap with the oversized gold buckle, and these are $22.98. Also new colors in these espadrilles from Time and True. So these have the round bottom, the little crochet with the espadrille in the blue stripe, also comes in the gold. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.